Hey YouTube, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. I know how much everybody absolutely loves an unboxing and opening video, so I got these two packages today and figured I'd open them on camera for you guys. Now, one of these is supposed to be RAM for a used machine. The guy wanted to get a set of 32 gigabytes of DDR3, and the other is a 1 terabyte SSD that the guy wanted me to put into the same machine. So let's take a look here and see which is which. I think we can tell. Alright, so this here is most likely the RAM. Ta-da! It's the RAM. However, it is short a stick, unless it's still in here. Oh, there it is. Haha! Alright, so this is 4 8 gigabyte sticks of DDR3. So 32 gigabytes. If they're looking to do streaming and editing, which is what they're doing, then it makes more sense. So that's a cool one. And then on top of that, this is a 1 terabyte SSD. This is from Silicon Power. I've used their brand before. They're not anything spectacular, but they're not bad. They're just generic. So Silicon Power 1 terabyte SSD. Now we've all seen the sticks of RAM. This is just plain sticks, no heat spreaders, so nothing special there. And this is just going to be the 1 terabyte SSD. But for a little over $100, it's a really great deal. So, and it comes with a 3-year warranty for the person that's buying it. And then also on this one, these guys cost about $125, I think it was, plus shipping. I paid for expedited shipping. So these guys are going to be about $140, $150 when it's done. So yeah. But let's let you guys see what happens with the stuff and see about editing this and getting this up. I do want to give you a little bit of a teaser. I'm going to be doing another video soon. In fact, I'm planning on doing it tonight with this new video. It's going to be utilizing this motherboard. This is an MSI B350 Tomahawk Arctic Edition. And I will give you more details on what we're doing on the next video, so keep tuned. And remember, leave comments, subscribe, and watch the videos, and you'll keep up to date. So, I hope you guys had a great New Year's and Happy Christmas, and hopefully 2019 will be a great year for everyone.